As this particular drawing shows, most of the damage to the ancient documents occurs where the paper has been folded numerous times over the centuries. After selecting the correct paper of the same color and texture as the original, the restorer cuts it into strips of appropriate size. These are pasted onto the back of the drawing to connect the damaged segments and consolidate the folds. Since the National Library of China launched this restoration project for the Yangshi Lei Archives in 2008, nearly 10,000 documents have been reborn. Once badly damaged, this Yangshi Lei drawing has been given a new lease of life in the hands of the restorer. It will soon be put on display at the Museum of Chinese Gardens.